Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can personalize and adjust the screen color on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Next, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Then go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on visibility enhancement. Then tap on color adjustment. Make sure that you tap on the on or off switch to turn it on. At the bottom here, tap on Personalize Color. In here, you need to match the color at the bottom with the one in the ring in the circle. So here, tap the color that looks most like the previous one in the ring. Touch and hold a color in the ring to move it. So here, with this one here, we're going to choose this color. Then next one. And then you can choose that one there. So you can also touch and hold to move it in a different location if you wanted to. And then let's say that one there maybe should be at the top, so you can kind of move them around. And then we choose that one. Next, that one. Then slightly darker. And so on. So something like that. And then you tap on done. And now you can also choose the intensity of the screen. Now, if you do not like it, you can always reset it. So you can tap on that reset button and then tap on setup to start over again. And that's it. So that's how you can set your own personalized color for your screen. There are also some presets that you could choose. Proton, Juten, Triton, or your own personalized color. You can also set grayscale if you wanted to. And that's it. And in this at the top here, I'm just going to switch it off. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.